Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be explaining what is all about drip irrigation working model. So I will be explaining why we wanted to use drip irrigation working model. It's a new way of doing agriculture. What is happening these days is water is not available. Even if you dig a borewell of 1,000 feet, we are not getting water. So water become very scarcity. So in order to save water, plus along with saving the water, we are also doing an agriculture with a little bit of water by making use of a concept called drip by drip water. So that concept we are trying to demonstrate in this video. So by making use of these concepts, we can save water plus as well as we can grow plants as well. So now we are going to tell us what are the ingredients of drip irrigation working model. So in order to do a drip irrigation, we need a water source. So water source, we have kept it as a water sump here. So we can use water bore well as well. So or water well as well. Here what we are trying to do here is we are place a pump here. What this pump is going to do is it is going to deliver water to a water tank. This is an overhead tank. Normally this overhead tank we kept on the almost an high altitude, which is maybe 10 feet or 20 feet height above this ground level, so that water comes in a high pressure. So this water, once it is getting stored, we can have a valve here. Once we use this valve, and we can send the water to all the plants in a drip by drip fashion, so that this agriculture field is, we are not flooding with water, we are just sending water which is very much needed to the plant. Only that much we are sending it to these plants. Now we are going to demonstrate how this working model really works by switching on this DC water pump, and we will show you how the drip mechanisms work here. So now we are going to switch on this motor. Now when we switch on, see water is coming into the water pump. Now we are seeing a drip by drip water is coming in every plant. So this is way. So we are utilizing this concept of saving water. With less water, we are growing plants here. I hope you guys got a clarity what is all about drip irrigation. This is a new way of doing agriculture, modern technology of doing agriculture. With this, we can save water as well as we can grow the plants, and we can save our country as well with a limited water supply. I hope you guys got a clarity. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share it with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.